Greetings, students. Here are some notes on box and whisker plot, and see if this helps you a little bit more, if you need a little bit more clarification. A box and whisker plot is simply a way to display data. And what you're going to be given is a list of numbers, and you'll need to find what we call the 5-number summary. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to put these numbers in order from smallest to greatest, which I've already done for you. And even if the numbers repeat, you repeat them. You always put every single number down in order from smallest to largest. The first thing we're going to do, students, is we're going to find what we call the median. Now, median means middle. So we're going to find the middle number. And the way that I do that is I just start on the ends and then I just count in. And if you'll notice, the number that's in the very middle of all of the data is what? 5. And so that is called our median, or it's also called quartile 2. So I'm going to go list that up here in my 5-number summary. I'm going to take 5 and I'm going to put it right up there where it says quartile 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the numbers that are to the left of the median, which are 3, 4, and 4. And I'm going to find the number that's in the middle, which is another median. And we're going to call that quartile 1. So I look for, again, the numbers to the left of the median. I look at 3, 4, and 4, and the number that's in the very middle is 4. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to put that right here where it says quartile 1. Okay, now let's go to the other side, and we look at the numbers to the right of the median, 9, 10, and 14. Students, what is the number that is in the very middle? And it is 10. And that is what we call quartile 3. So we have just found the first, second, and third quartiles of this set of data. Now we're going to find the minimum and the maximum. The minimum is the lowest number, which is 3. And the maximum is the highest number, which is, or the greatest number, which is 14. So now we have found our 5-number summary, and now let's plot it, and let's make a box and whisker plot, and this is how we do it. So I'm going to start with the median, which is 5, the median of the overall data. And I'm going to put a little point right here at 5. And then I'm going to graph the first quartile, which was 4. Remember, up in our 5-number summary, quartile 1 is 4. And I'm going to put a little dot right there at 4. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put the third quartile, which we found to be 10. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw vertical line segments through those 3 points. I'm going to connect them. And students, what you have just made is the box. So we had quartile 1, quartile 2, or the median, and quartile 3. Now let's do the whiskers. The whiskers are the minimum and the maximum. The minimum is 3. Connect that to the box. There's my whisker. The maximum is 14. Connect that to the box. And there's the other whisker. So you have box, and this is a whisker, and this is a whisker. Box and whisker plot. And that's all there is to it. Stay tuned for part 2.